Hello, class. Today we're going to work on this word problem for lesson 20, session 2 develop, and it's on page 503 of the iReady program. Okay, so let's look at the program. Question, we're going to read this question 3 times. Before we do that, let's write our name at the top in this blue section. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, it says add 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Okay, our first question is, who is this story about? If there's no people, then we'll switch it to what is this story about. But if there's people, we'll say, who is this story about? There are 24 bats. 7 more bats joined them. How many bats are there now? Who is the story about, lovies? Yeah, story's about bats, right? It's about bats. Okay. Second question is, what's happening with the bats? What's the second question? Yeah, what's happening with the bats? Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's read it together. Put your finger right here. Ready, begin. There are 24 bats. 7 more bats joined them. How many bats are there now? Okay, so what's happening with the bats? Well, at first there were some bats, and then more came, right? So that's what's happening. There were some bats already, and then more came. You notice I'm not mentioning the numbers. So when we're answering these questions, we're not talking about the numbers yet. We're just talking about the bats themselves. Okay, last question is, what are we trying to find out? What do we know and what do we not know? Okay, that's the question. What do we know and what do we not know? Here we go. Ready? Begin. There are 24 bats. 7 more bats joined them. How many bats are there now? So what do we know? Well, we know that in the beginning there was 24 bats, right? That's what we know at the beginning. We also know that 7 more bats came. Okay? So we know there was 24 at the beginning and then 7 more came. What do we not know? Now. We don't know how many bats now. Bats now. That's what we don't know. So let's make a number bond because there's a total and a part. Okay, so here we do. I'm going to put it way over here where it's not in the way. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle here and a circle here. Go ahead and draw your 3 circles. Okay, hopefully you drew your 3 circles and we're going to connect them with a line. Okay, do we know how many all the bats are? Before 7 more joined. Okay. Oh, we don't know how many there are now. But we know that there were 24 at the beginning and then 7 came. But we don't know all the bats, the ones at the beginning and the 7. We don't know all of them. So that's blank. So that's what we're going to find out, buddy, all the bats. Okay. So let's draw a picture. Okay? Let me see how many at the beginning. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so there's my 24 circles. Okay, lovies. Now I'm going to circle 10. I'm going to put a box around 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 right there. I'm going to draw the line and make a box. Okay, let me see if I can make another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 right there. I'm going to draw the line. Okay, there's 10. Now, do I have enough to make another 10? No, I don't. I have 4, so I don't have enough to make another 10. So this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 4. Okay. Okay, so let's make a number sentence using this. Okay, so 24, and then 7 more join them. So let's draw 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now I have enough to make a 10 right here. I'm going to make another 10. Okay. So I'm going to make an equation. How many did I have at the beginning? I had 24. And then did I take away them or did I put more? I put more, so I'm going to put plus. How many more? 7 equals, and then put the total goes there. Okay? So what I need to do is find the total and write it here and write it there. Okay? Make sure I do that. All right. Ready?